Hello, welcome again to my channel. Let's provide a solution to this challenge. So if you are new here, subscribe to this channel. So let's provide a solution. So solution. Okay, then write x to the power of 4 over 3 equals to 27. Okay, having done this, we can simply write it to be divided by 1. Okay, which remain the same. So for cross multiply, we have x to the power of 4 is equals to 3 times 27. Okay, so from here we'll multiply 3 times 27 is going to give us 81. So we'll write x to the power of 4 equals to 81. Okay, having done this, so this is what we are now having. So the next thing we are going to do is to put in this to the other side. So we have x to the power of 4 minus 81 equals to 0. So we can write x to the power of 2 to be in, or we can rather tackle this. So we can write s to the power of 4 minus 9 to the power of 2 equals to 0. Okay, so we can also raise here to be in power of 2. So if we do that, we can say x to the power of 2 all square minus 9 to the power of 2, okay, equals to 0. So this is what we are now having. So we cannot see that this is in the form of a to the power of 2 minus b to the power of 2. And if you want to write this in difference of 2 square, which is also equals to a plus b, okay, times a minus b. So if we put this through here, we have here to be x square, okay, minus 9, okay, into x square plus 9, okay, all equals to 0. So from here we can simply equate this to be what? To be 0. So we can have this to be x square minus 9, okay, equals to 0, and x square plus 9 equals to 0. So if we are to solve this first, so from here we can say x square plus 9 equals to 0. So we can say x square is equals to minus 9. If you take the square root of both sides, we say a equals to plus or minus the root of negative 9. Okay, so from here we can say our x is equals to plus or minus the root of negative 9 is j3. So from here we can say our x1 is equals to plus j3, and x2 is equals to minus j3, where this j signifies your imaginary number. So if we are to solve for x square minus 9 equals to 0, so if we are to solve for that, so we simply have this to be x square minus 9 equals to 0. Okay, so we can write this in form of difference of 2 square, like what we did here. So if we do that, we have x square minus to the power of 2 equals to 0. So if we put this through here, we have here to be x square, so if we put this through, x minus 3, okay, over x plus 3, okay, equals to 0. So from here we equate this to be 0. X equals to say x minus 3 equals to 0, okay, and x plus 3 equals to 0. So from here we can say x is equals to 3 and x is equals to minus 3. So these are the value for x3 and x4. So these are the third and fourth value for x3 and x4. Remember, from our first one, we got it to be this. We got this. Okay, we got this. So this is our first and second value, and this is our third and fourth value. So if you find this video useful and interesting, please click on the subscription button and turn on the notification bell. Bye bye. See you in my next video. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.